It's the lashes for me.
I like to fight a little dirty, baby. If I opened up and caved in, would you hurt me, baby?
Alright, y'all, let's go ahead and get started. I'll put my little hair up a little bit. I've been wanting to do this video for a long time, honey. We got a basket full of, y'all know, the trusty dusty basket, honey. For brows, we're gonna take this Fenty brow pencil, and I got this in the shade black brown. This is their brow MVP, and we're going to just, it has this little brush thing on the end. I'll show y'all that. It's not like a spoolie, it has like this little brush thing on the end. So we're gonna use this to fill in our brows. This has grown on me. It wasn't my favorite at first. I feel like I should have got a different shade, but I don't ever want to get like a shade and it ends up being too light, like too light. So this reminds me of the NYX Precisely My Brow Pencil, as well as the Anastasia Brow Wiz, because it's very, it has a very like precise tip, so you can get like the hair like strokes. Next, we're gonna go in and clean up under the brows. I have a Fenty concealer, and I also have 3 from Juvias Place. So I'm gonna take this one from Juvias, and I'm gonna check the shade number 10 and the shade number 8, and I'm gonna mix them together. And I'm using this Crayon Case concealer brush as well. These concealers are so full coverage, so pigmented. I have an eyeshadow primer from the Crayon Case. I'm gonna use this to prime my eyes before I put my eyeshadow on. But I have not really used this. I feel like I've used it like once or twice, but this is their washable eye glue stick eyeshadow primer by the Crayon Case. We're going to use this to prime our eyes. It says it goes on clear, and I don't know if it's supposed to be tacky or not. Let's see. It says the primer makes blending a breeze while securing your color so it doesn't crease or smudge. Very lightweight and easy to use. Just apply a bit to your finger, gently tap over your lid, wait for formula to dry, and then apply your shadow. So we need to wait on this to dry, and I should have used my finger. Okay, so for eyes, while it's drying, we can pick an eyeshadow palette. So I have 3 different options here. I have the Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette. I got this in my BoxyCharm box. That's what that looks like. That's really pretty. I have this one by Makeup Addiction Cosmetics in Flaming Flamingo. I love these here. These are my favorite. Maybe I can use all 3 of them, just incorporate, you know, some shades from all 3 of them. And lastly, I have the Colored Raine Safari palette. I waited on this to restock and restock and restock, and I finally got it. That's so pretty, y'all. Oh my god. Let's try to like use all 3 of them. Okay, so I'm gonna take the shade Savannah Desert out of this palette, and I'm gonna put that in my crease. That primer still look like it hasn't dried. That's what's so weird about it. It says wait on it to dry, but it still look wet. Makeup Addiction is like a UK brand. They have some dope eyeshadows. Look how pigmented that is. That primer is not drying down. Like, I don't know if it's supposed to dry down. Like, do y'all see how shiny my eyes are? It's not even changing even when, I mean, it kind of is when I put the eyeshadow on, but ugh. And next we're going to go in, same palette. I'm gonna take this shade, take this deeper shade called Brownie, which is here on the end here. Same brush. But I do not know about this primer on my lids. I do not like this eyeshadow primer. It is not my favorite at all. This still got my eyes glossy. Hold on, let me take this off. I'm gonna take this same mix of number 8 and number 10 and put them on my lid. We're gonna use that as eyeshadow primer because I don't like that. I need it to dry down. So let's start out with this brown shade here, which is Savannah Desert. They're one of the brands that I can say like I can actually pick up their palette and won't have to worry about a lot of kickback from an eyeshadow, which y'all know I don't care about that. But you just notice, which ones like don't have it and which ones do, and they're still pigmented. So love these eyeshadows. I don't know why I don't pick this palette up more often. Let's go into this Colored Raine Safari Raine palette, and I want to take their deeper brown, which is Matriarch. I want to see how deep it can get, or if it's even deeper. This is another brand. Eyeshadows are stupid crazy pigmented. I'm going to cut my crease because I'm psycho like that. I'm gonna take this Morphe M506 brush again just to blend in the outer portion of the cut crease, because you always want to blend out that outer portion, the outer edge of it. That's so crazy. That color looks like it's black, and it's not black at all. I'm gonna take this shade Tigress here. I'm gonna put that right here. Oh, that's pretty. I hate if y'all didn't get this palette, honey, because I was kicking my butt when I missed that first time. And it was just sold out because, look at that. Next, I'm going to take the shade Toucan, which is this shade right here. I'm going to put that next to it. And then I'm going to take one last shade, which is Lioness, which I've used this before as well. We're going to take this shade here and put it in our inner portion of our eye. It's more of a pressed glitter or something because it flakes more than any of them. I'm gonna go back in with this black one because it looks like it's doing a little bit too much raising up. I always cut my crease on this side and it always gets a little higher. But, well, that looks good, girl. For lashes, we're gonna take the Style Baby Girl. We're gonna pop those on. It's the lashes for me. It's the lashes for me. I'm gonna use the Juvias Place foundation for my face today. This is the only black owned foundation I have at the moment. I want to try Beauty Bakery's foundation, but I need to be able to try it on, and I can't. They don't have it in Ulta stores, but they have it on Ulta.com. So it's like, I don't know what to do with it. I just don't like ordering foundations online, and I literally have no idea as to what shade I should get. This foundation is dumb full coverage though. Like, I have not had a problem with this foundation since I got it. Like, look at that. Let's go ahead and conceal. Let's use the Fenty concealer in the shade 390. This is one of my favorite concealers. I use this one, which I still use it. Or did I throw it away when I got this one? There is a... When I first got it, when it first came out, mine broke on the bathroom floor. And I about lost my mind. But I like put the rest of it in like a little jar and it just dried up over time. But I was like, girl, we gotta throw this away. These DSMD sponges are stupid soft. Look at that. Like, it's crazy soft. Oh, that concealer just snatches your face. Look at that. Oh my goodness. For under eye setting powder, I actually have 3. I have the Fenty banana powder. I have the Beauty Bakery yellow flower setting powder. And then I also have the Crayon Dust Chalk Dust setting powder in the shade N. I think I want to use this one because I haven't used it a lot. I got N in another shade, but I don't think I used that one. That's why I have it like, I had it up under this one. That's another one that's like hard to like pick your shade. But that's what it looks like. It's just a yellow setting powder. This one kind of reminds me of Kunafa by Huda. The color and stuff. It's very smooth. It's very smooth. I'm gonna use this blush binder to contour my face. This is by the Crayon Case. I know y'all have seen this, girl. It got blushes, it got contours. I used it here, I think once before, maybe. But that page is like mostly 3 pages. 3, honey. 3. I'm gonna take this shade here and this shade to do like a slight contour of my face. I like the mix of them together. That's cute. Okay. To contour my nose though, I'm going to go in with the Fenty Cocoa Naughty. And I'm going to put that on my nose. I like this color. It's really soft. And I can use it to warm up my face as well as my nose. I normally use this one for my nose unless like I want a really soft like contour. Then I'll go in with this as an actual contour, but I like how soft it contours my nose. It contours it, but it's not like harsh. You know what I'm saying? That is really pretty. Child. But we're gonna take this shade here, Brownie, and we're gonna put that on our lower lash line. It's still the lashes for me. Just saying. Let's take the mascara by Crayon Case again. And we're gonna put that on our lower lashes. I don't wanna poke myself in the eye. For highlighters, I have 2. I have Rosy Glow Reds by the Crayon Case. And then I have this Color Raine and Power Highlighter and Blush Duo. And that's what that looks like. I swatched that one before. It's like a peachy highlight. I don't know if it'll show up on my skin. We can try it though. This is in the shade, well, this is in Call the Shots. But this has a blush and a highlighter. I don't know why I thought it was gonna be lighter than that. That's pretty. I have some more though. So we're gonna take Juvias Place Nefertitti and place that on top of it. And I literally just take it out of the cap. Oh yes. So pretty. Girl. Here you go with the foolery. Here you go with the foolery. Kill him. Ooh, kill him. Ooh, kill him. Let's go ahead and let's finish this off with lips because y'all know we got some lips. You know we do. You know we do, okay? For lips, I have, for lips, I actually have the new Fenty Glow Cream Glosses. Well, it's not even, yeah, it is. Gloss Bomb Cream. So we're going to be using, I have the shade Honey Waffles and Fenty Glow. It's like I picked these up a few minutes ago. I'll be to pick up on Sephora. They be enabling us, like, don't let me pick nothing up. That's what those look like. Let's do Honey Waffles, baby. Yeah, so Honey Waffles is it. This is the one. This is the one. I actually have this Juvias Place lip liner in the shade Kola. We're going to line our lips up with that, and then we're going to fill it in with this new gloss bomb. Their new lip liners are fire. And then we're going to, ooh, it's so pretty. Ooh. That is too cute. That's one swipe, y'all. Ooh, that is gorgina. I'm piling it on at this point. Okay, beauty, so here's the finished look. How are we liking it? Y'all, this Safari Raine palette, I think she sells these in individuals, but girl, glad I got that. The only thing that's new to me that I have not tried before is the actual gloss, I want to say. It's the gloss. These are brand new, and it's creamy, moisturizing. Makes me want to go get the other colors, but I don't need the other colors, so I'm not going to go get the other colors. I just picked up the two. Yes, the two that I wanted. So that's it. That's it. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section. Let's talk about these black-owned brands, honey. Which brands have you tried? Like, have y'all tried some of these brands? You can find Beauty Bakery on their own website, beautybakery.com. Or you can go to Ulta. They sell it at Ulta, but some Ultas don't actually have it on, like, site. Like my Ulta. And what else? Colored Raine. I thought Colored Raine was sold in Target. I could be wrong, but I'm not sure. I know the lip bar is sold in Target. That's a black-owned brand as well. But go out and support these brands. I know y'all heard about these brands. I'm not sure. Makeup Addiction is having a sale right now on one of their new palettes that just came out. DSMD Shop, Dark Skin Makeup Daily Shop. These are some dope sponges, like, y'all. And she was featured on Jackie Ina's page for her, like, hand palette, which I need to pick up for my, you know, for when I'm doing my clients. But y'all, I ordered like 5 of these sponges, and then I got another 6 on the way. So yes, girl. I hope y'all enjoyed this video though. Just let me know what brands you tried down in the comment section. I've been wanting to do this video for quite some time, but I just have not set my butt down and did it. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye, beauties.